They may not be the most practical, they may not be the most simple, but they are very, very cool. These are 15 insane skill moves.
The rainbow. Put the ball between both of your feet, with your toes pointing to the side of the defender. Then use both of your feet to lift the ball behind you and over the defender's head. To successfully do a rainbow, make sure there's enough space behind the defender before you do the skill. Double elastico. Use the inside of your foot to drag the ball across your body. Then quickly bring your foot around the ball and use the outside of your foot to take a touch back the other way. Then, complete the skill by bringing your foot around the ball again and pushing the ball past the defender down the line. Forward Magidi. Start by bringing one foot, the foot you're not dribbling with, around the front of the ball. Then, use the top of your other foot to push the ball past your first leg. To complete the skill, bring that same foot around the ball and use it to push the ball past the defender.
That's why we ain't on the same page. Do my own thing and I maintain. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. I'm going mainstream.
The Blanco.
I'm going mainstream. Yeah, I'm going mainstream. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream.
When you see a gap between two defenders, grab the ball with both of your feet and lift the ball over the defender's legs. Roll top chop. When a defender is chasing you down, use the underside of your foot to roll the ball down the line, as if you were going to continue that direction. Then, use the inside of your other foot to chop the ball behind your leg and away from the defender. Sombrero, from the ground. When you see a defender moving to close you down, stick the outside edge of your boot underneath the ball, then lift the ball over their head.
You really want to try as hard as you can to get the edge of your toes underneath the ball. This is going to help you get the height you need to get the ball over the defender.
Dragon step over. Start by using the inside of your foot to drag the ball across your body. Then, with that same foot, bring your foot around the front of the ball. Complete the skill by using the outside of your other foot to push the ball down the line. The hocus pocus. With one foot, step forward in front of the ball. Then use the inside of your other foot to push the ball behind your leg. Finally, Use the top of that same foot to push the ball past your standing leg. Reverse elastico. Use the inside of one foot to drag the ball across your body. Then bring your foot around the ball and use the top of your foot to hit the ball the other way.
You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I'm gonna
Fake Rabona.
bridges between
Plant one of your feet close to and in front of the ball. Then bring your other leg behind your plant foot. Finally, use the top of that foot to stop the ball and go the other direction.
I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head.
Acting like you're going to cross, shoot, or pass will help fake the defender.
I just need to clear my head.
La croqueta.
I just need to clear
Use the inside of one foot to drag the ball to your other foot. Then touch the ball past the defender.
I just need to clear my head. I just need to
Pull behind leg fake. Use the underside of your foot to pull the ball back. Then use the inside of your foot to push the ball behind your leg. Before the ball gets too far away from you, use the top of your foot to stop the ball, faking as though you were going to pass to a teammate.
I just need to clear my head. Oh, clear my head. I just need to clear my head.
Inside to inside. Use the inside of your foot and drag the ball across your body to your other foot. Then use the inside of your other foot to hit the ball past the defender.
But we don't have to repeat it. You made this mess and left me.
Roll to heel in the air. When you're holding off a defender, roll the ball off the back of your calf. Then, when the ball is in the air, use your heel to hit the ball into the path of your teammate.
I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear
Roll top step over. Use the underside of your foot to roll the ball toward the defender. Then bring your other leg around the front of the ball and use the outside of that foot to push the ball past the defender. Rainbow 2, a second technique. Lean forward and place one foot in front of the ball. Then use your other foot to roll the ball up the back of your calf. Complete the skill by using your heel to hit the ball over the back of your head.
All right, everybody, make sure to hit that like button, make sure to subscribe, and make sure to look on our channel because we have many, many other skill videos.